Hello children, today I am going to discuss about the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Recall in earlier classes we have learnt about three-dimensional shapes like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and a sphere. Let us learn to calculate the surface area of some solid shapes, namely cuboid, cube and cylinder. First of all, I am discuss about surface area of a cuboid. This is the shape of cuboid. This is length, this is breadth and this is height of cuboid. Let the length, breadth and height of a cuboid be L, B, H in centimeter respectively. Now we know that a cuboid has 6 faces and all faces are rectangles. So area of top and bottom faces equal to LB plus LB centimeter square. This is the top bottom and this is the bottom face. So area of a top face equal to L into B and area of bottom face is equal to L into B. So area of top and bottom faces is equal to LB plus LB centimeter square equal to 2LB centimeter square. Again, area of front and back faces equal to LH plus LH centimeter square. Front and back faces is this and this. So area of a front face length into height and area of this face equal to length into height. So area of front and back faces is equal to LH plus LH equal to 2LH centimeter square. Again, area of side faces equal to side faces is this and this. So area of side faces B into H and also area of this face is B into H. So BH plus BH centimeter square equal to 2BH centimeter square. So total surface area of cuboid equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. So 2 is common, LB plus BH plus LH centimeter square. We do not consider the area of base and top in lateral surface area. So the lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2LV 2LH plus 2BH. We take 2 and H as common, so L plus 2 into L plus B into H, a square units. It is also known as perimeter of base into height. So lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H, a square unit, or a perimeter of base into height. Also we use this formula for finding the area of 4 walls of a room. So area of 4 walls of a room equal to 2 into L plus B into H, a square units. Not. Now I am going to discuss about surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube. As we know, cube is a cuboid whose faces are squares. So in a cube, L is equal to B equal to H. So total surface area of a cube equal to 2 into L into L plus L into L plus L into L equal to 2 into L square plus L square plus L square equal to 2 into 3L square equal to 6L square. We write it also in this form: 6 into side a square, L for side, a square units. Now lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of a cube equal to 2 into L into L plus L into L equal to 2 into L square plus L square equal to 2 into 2L square equal to 4 L square equal to 4 into side square units. For example, find the total surface area of a closed box of length 100 cm, breadth 25 cm and height 20 cm. Solution: we have L equal to 100 cm, B equal to 25 cm and H equal to 20 cm. So the total surface area of the box equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH equal to 2 into 100 into 25 plus 25 into 20 plus 100 into 20 equal to 2 into 2500 plus 500 plus 2000 centimeter square equal to 2 into 5000 centimeter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. This is our answer. For example 2, find the surface area of a cube whose side measures 15 centimeter. Also find its lateral surface area. Solution: we have L equal to 15 centimeter. So total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square equal to 6 into 15 square equal to 6 into 225 centimeter square equal to 1350 centimeter square. This is our first answer. Again, lateral surface area of the cube equal to 4L square equal to 4 into 15 square equal to 400 into 225 equal to 900 centimeter square. This is our second answer. Thank you children for watching my video.